Hi, I am Dr. Shireen Khan. In this video, I will explain to you all about the sources of law. Let's begin by understanding what sources of law means. Simply put, a source is a place where something comes from. In law, sources can be historical, legal, or formal. Historical sources influence law development, like customs and beliefs, while legal sources are the actual rules, both written and unwritten. In Malaysia, we have written laws such as the Constitution and Acts of Parliament, and unwritten laws including customs, judicial decisions, and Islamic law. Together, they form the foundation of our legal system. Malaysia is a federation with 14 states. Our system is similar to the UK's. We have a constitutional monarchy and a parliamentary democracy. The Yang di-Pertuan Agong is our constitutional head, elected every 5 years by the Conference of Rulers. The federal constitution is the supreme law. Article 4, Clause 1 states that any law inconsistent with the constitution is void. It outlines legislative powers, the structure of government, and fundamental liberties. Legislation is divided between the federal and state governments. There are 5 lists of matters: federal, state, and concurrent, with special supplements for Sabah and Sarawak. Articles 74 and 80 govern these divisions. Section: Constitutional Rights. Our Constitution protects key rights, such as liberty under Article 5, equality under Article 8, freedom of religion under Article 11, and rights to property under Article 13. Section: Amendments to the Constitution. Amendments are possible under Article 159. Depending on the nature of the amendment, they require different levels of approval, such as a simple or 2/3 majority, and sometimes consent from the Conference of Rulers or state governors. Section: Roles and Discretions. The YDPA acts on advice of the Prime Minister, but retains discretion in certain areas. The Conference of Rulers can appoint or dismiss the YDPA and has veto powers over sensitive constitutional amendments. Malaysia follows constitutional supremacy, not parliamentary supremacy like the UK. In the Atian case, it was affirmed that Parliament's powers are limited by the Constitution. Judicial review allows courts to examine laws or government acts to ensure they follow the Constitution. This ensures justice and protects fundamental rights. Malaysia practices separation of powers across 3 branches: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. Each branch has distinct functions, and they work together to ensure checks and balances in governance. To conclude, the Malaysian legal system is founded on various sources, both written and unwritten. The Constitution serves as the supreme law, defining our rights, powers of government, and how the law functions. Thank you for listening.